It is so special here. Skopelos is definitely more of a laid-back island. Well, I'm staying at a posh 3-star hotel in Skopelos, 15-minute walk from town. And my room is 301 in that complex there. And from there, I can see this amazing view. Look at this, everybody. I can see the ferries landing in the morning. And there's a lovely outdoor pool to cool off in and lounge chair area. And it's closed now, but the beach bar where you can get some snacks. Okay, I can see the ferry leaving from my deck. Isn't that amazing? From my little balcony in the hotel, I can see the whole port. Look at this lovely palm tree below. Just lovely. Another magnificent morning. I'm so enjoying just sitting on a balcony away from noise and from people, that I'm staying here until it becomes too sunny to sit on my balcony. I just love this view and I'm enjoying immensely sitting in the shade. Here you can see the outdoor patio where you can have breakfast, and you can have breakfast inside as well. And they also serve snacks during the day and lunches on this patio. The other nice thing is there's no loud blaring music. One of the few places where you can relax and not have to listen to stupid music all day long. It really is a sanctuary. And it's an easy walk from the town, and you can see that in the distance. It's only a 15-minute walk to the other end there where I've been. And yesterday I walked up the hills into the old Chorta, it's called. And on the far right-hand side, you can see the white structure of a white church. I walked all the way from the top of the hill down to that church. I saw the old Venetian palace, or I should say castle, at the top, and that's on another video. So this is my view every morning of the port. It's only a 10-minute walk to the bus stop and to the ferry. Just fantastic. And there's the port wall. Often you'll see a yacht moored out there. And beyond that, the blue Aegean Sea. The local beach is just right around the corner as well, but I've never needed to use it. So from my balcony, I can see the ferry arriving. And it's interesting, you could hear its rumble of the motor even before it came into view. I never get tired of seeing it. To me, it's a symbol of freedom and sightseeing and island hopping. You can hear the announcements way over here, getting the passengers to disembark, and now it's turning around. That can't be easy. Still looking from my balcony. You can see the lawn is immaculate. It's amazing because that means there's a lot of care. Like next door, this brown patch of just open, scorched grass. So this hotel puts a lot of effort to have green grass in this heat. And this morning, a fellow just did a lawnmower all by hand. No sitting lawnmower, all by hand. Really is lovely, this landscape. And it's a quiet hotel. It's only 2 floors. The hotel also has rooms in the back here, I think, for families. And look at the lovely garden. Bit more solitude away from the beach. All the potted plants. Room with couches, very cool inside, a TV room. Just another place to escape. And there's a view of the courtyard there that I came from. Here's the hallway that I come down to towards breakfast. And lovely vistas of the balcony. You can sit out on any of the balconies. Right now it's pretty sunny. And they have a lovely library area with another TV and books left behind by guests. So this is the dining area. You can sit inside if you want to. And the buffet is served in the corner back there. And it's built around a tree. And then, of course, you then have the outdoors, the dining area, which is this amazing vista. And the dining area borders onto the pool. Sun is starting to set. And my room is just above that tree on the top floor, right corner, room 301. It served me well. And here's the walkway towards the street. And it's only a 10-minute walk from the bus station and the port and the ferry. So you've got everything immediately accessible, and town is 15-minute walk at the most. And here's the view of the front entrance. It's all wheelchair accessible and suitcase accessible. So here's more of a wider angle view of the hotel. They've got a car park here, because a lot of people rent cars or bring their cars from other countries, like on the ferry. A lot of Italians and Germans come here, especially in the summer, they say. And the evening light is just gorgeous. Right now, look at this beautiful garden in front of me. That's another hotel. And look at this, I'm right near the ocean. That's the beauty of this hotel. So here's a public beach right off the road here by my hotel. And I think these umbrellas are provided by the hotel next door to us. And you can see where you start going up into the hills, not far from here. And you can hear the waves. I'm going into the sun right now, but that's the direction I'll be walking. 10 minutes to the bus station. So I found this cute little restaurant just up the street from where I'm staying. And welcome to me! Thank you. It's Friendly Diners. Tonight, this restaurant, all its tables along the road here will be full. It's high-end restaurant food called Muses. Here's the main area. You can hear the music coming from it. And next door is another restaurant. And they have tables as well set out by the ocean here. Here's a better view of the tables. It's actually really lovely.